year, while filing ITR, taxpayers face a common dilemma. Should they choose the new tax regime or stick to the old one? In Budget 2023, the government made the new tax regime the default option, but taxpayers still have the choice to opt for the old tax regime if they prefer. If your income comes from salary, interest, or rent, you have the option to choose between the new and the old tax regimes every year. This means if you choose the new tax regime last year, you can switch to the old one this year. However, you must decide before the ITR filing deadline, that is by July 31st, 2025. According to the Income Tax Department, you can opt for the old tax regime only if you file your return on time. If you have a business or professional income, the rules for switching tax regimes are stricter. Taxpayers who earn from business or profession cannot switch tax regimes every year. If they choose the new tax regime and later switch to the old one, they cannot go back to the new tax regime again. They get only one chance to switch back. According to the Budget 2023, those who want to opt for the old tax regime must fill out Form 10(1)(ie) before filing their ITR. This form confirms which tax regime they are choosing and whether they are eligible for it. On the other hand, salaried individuals and those with non-business income can switch between the new and the old tax regimes every year. However, they must decide before the ITR filing deadline. If you want to choose the old tax regime, you must do so before the ITR filing deadline under Section 139(1) of the Income Tax Act. For more such informative videos, do follow Zee Business.